Hey, Matthew here with Encore Automotive, and we got an Audi, and what we're gonna do is show you how to install these brake clips. These are hazardous. If you let them fly across the room, they will take out your teeth, your eyes, your next customer's car window, or whatever. So we're gonna show you how to do this. What we're gonna do first, we're gonna hook it up top. All right. I got these special gloves on. It's supposed to be rated. So we're gonna hook it like this right here. Once we hook it like this, we're gonna apply a lot of pressure right here to keep that in place. And then once we keep it in place, we gotta get, hold on, you gotta show this. We gotta get in the lunge position, all right? You gotta get in the lunge position. Once you get in the lunge position, so you got your feet right. Thank you so much. All right, you have a good one. You get the pressure, you hold the pressure in, and you keep the pressure, and you come right over this last bottom one here. You're gonna bring this there, but you gotta keep the pressure on it like this. All right, we're gonna try it one more time, all right? This ain't no joke now. Try to do it without editing. All right, hold on. Let me get my gloves back right. We had a minute.
Yep.
We're gonna do it in 2 minutes. Here we go. Bam. Gotta hook it in. Hold on. We can call this the Hold On Series Part 3. Smithfield Hold'em. You ever heard of Texas Hold'em? Good gracious. All right, and you're gonna wanna make sure it's up there, all right? Because if not, me and the cameraman might have some casualties. And that's how it's done, y'all. Bada bing, bada bim, da boom. Huh! Subscribe. You could be one of the lucky persons to receive a car when we reach 1,000 subscribers.